In this video, we're going to demonstrate how KCD Software's Workshop Plus with OptiSaw can convert KCD software designs into optimized cutting patterns for a non-CNC panel saw. Support for CNC panel saws is available with KCD Software CNC Commander. To show how to process a job, we'll start with this KCD Software Euro Kitchen 1 project, which features KCD Software's new HD doors. Once your design is complete and you're ready to optimize the job, go to the Parts menu and choose Cut List from the available cut list methods. This cut list has been configured to output directly to OptiSaw. Next, click Calculate. This generates a list of all the parts in the job along with the sizes of each part. From there, optimized panel layouts are created to determine how many sheets of each material are required. When the process is complete, a page will appear showing a list of all the parts in the job. This serves as confirmation that the job has been completed and provides a detailed list of the pieces included. Close that window and look at the bottom of the screen, where you'll see several newly created pages. These are Pattern Manager pages. A separate Pattern Manager is created for each material used in the job. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of optimized patterns. In this example, the optimization created 14 patterns for 3/4-inch melamine 4x8 sheets. You'll also notice a check mark next to some patterns. This indicates that the pattern has reached a predefined efficiency threshold, typically in the upper 80% range. On the lower right side of the screen, you can see the yield percentage for each optimized panel. As you move through the patterns, you'll see the layout of each panel along with several color-coded cut lines. Blue lines indicate an initial rip cut. Red lines indicate a crosscut. Pink lines represent a secondary rip cut, and green lines represent a secondary crosscut. Each part includes dimensions along with the panel dimensions. You'll also see a name displayed in the center of each part. This identifies the unit number and cabinet description, which correspond to columns 1 and 2 in the information shown below. To print the optimized layouts and use them as cutting guides at the saw, right-click and select Print All Panels, one pattern per page. The printout will show the blue and red cut lines, along with the information below that provides additional details about each part. One of those fields is a global ID, which can be used to identify parts throughout the production process if desired. In addition to printing panel layouts, you may also want to print labels. Labels can be printed to either a roll printer or sheets of labels. For most production environments, roll printers tend to be the more efficient option. From this screen, you can print both your labels and the optimized patterns for each material. As you review the patterns, you'll notice that those with a check mark generally provide higher efficiency and better material yield with minimal leftover sheet material. Patterns toward the end of the list will often contain larger leftover sections. In some cases, they may also reflect unusual part configurations. However, when a pattern has a check mark, it indicates that you're achieving a strong yield percentage from that sheet. Thank you for watching this overview of KCD Software's Workshop Plus with OptiSaw. We hope it gives you a better understanding of how optimized cutting patterns can help improve material yield and efficiency in your shop.